Hey everyone, welcome to English with Dylan. Today we are going to talk about a mistake in English language that almost everyone makes because it is an easy mistake to make. And the mistake is that when we use the word very too many times when we talk. So if you're interested in how to get rid of this mistake, so please continue watching this video. Very itself is a very weak word because it doesn't add any extra sense. It just magnifies the adjective that you're using, like very tired, very cute, very beautiful. And it's just taking out your space. For example, if you're writing an essay for the university and it has up to 500 words limit and you use very in every single sentence, it means that you're taking a lot of space out of your essay. And using very too many times doesn't make you look professional because you're using very simple vocabulary. So this video is going to help you to get rid of the word very. So the most used phrase by every person is very good. Like, it is a very good city, it is a very good place. Now, how to replace it? Instead of saying very good, you can say it's great. It's a great city, it's a great university, it's a great weather today. And you can also say it's splendid. Instead of saying very good, you can also say it's terrific. Your grades are excellent. This is an excellent place. And you can also say it's wonderful. It's a wonderful city. It's a wonderful park. It's a wonderful place. So the second most used phrase is very cute. For example, if you see a dog on the street, you'd be like, oh my gosh, your dog is very cute. So instead of saying very cute, you can say your dog is adorable. You can also use the word admirable. And you can also say your dog is lovely instead of saying very cute all the time. The next most used phrase is very beautiful. So instead of saying very beautiful, you can say stunning. And you can also say astonishing. And you can also say gorgeous. You're looking gorgeous in that dress. You can also say charming. And the next most used phrase is very funny. For example, if someone texted you a joke, you'd be like, oh my gosh, this joke is very funny. So instead of saying very funny, you can say this is hilarious. And the next is very hungry. So instead of saying very hungry, you can say starving. Like, for example, I'm starving. And the next most used phrase is very kind, especially when you're praising someone. You'd be like, oh my gosh, you're very kind. So instead of saying very kind, you can say you're compassionate. The next is very often. So instead of saying very often, you can say frequently. And the next phrase is very scared. So instead of saying very scared, you can say frightened. You can also say terrified. And the next phrase is very smart. So instead of saying very smart, you can say intelligent. You can also say brilliant. And you can also say genius. The next is very surprised. So instead of saying very surprised, you can say amazed. For example, Sabrina is amazed. You can also use the word astonished. And you can also say shocked. And the next phrase is very sweet. So instead of saying very sweet, you can say thoughtful. And the next is very cold. For example, it's very cold outside. So instead of saying very cold, you can say it's freezing outside. You can also say it's chilly. And you can also say, for example, Nebraska is cold as ice. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And please subscribe to my channel. The button is below. And if you've already subscribed, so thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video.